Welcome to my YouTube channel PPC with Saga. Today I'm gonna explain how you can create your supplemental feed in Google Merchant Center account. So basically this video will be the in-depth video of supplemental feed and will clear all of your doubts regarding supplemental feed. So as I told you, this would be the in-depth video of supplemental feed. So we'll clear all of your doubts, when to create it, how to create it, and overall. So let's start the video. So now the question arises, what is supplemental feed? It is nothing but when you create your primary feed with the help of Content API, many essential attributes like Google product category, product description, even GTIN may be missing. So regardless of touching your prime feed with the help of supplemental feed, you can add those attributes. Apart from that, if you want to edit your primary feed, if you want to optimize, I have seen 70 to 80% is when it comes to optimize the feed is product title optimization and description optimization. So with the help of supplement feed, you can easily do that. So I have created my primary feed with the help of Content API, and Google product type is missing in majority of the product. So I want to add those product category in my main and prime feed. So I want to do with the help of supplement feed. So I have made a spreadsheet. I have chosen the ID because ID is unique. So these are my product, these are my toothbrush products ID. So to find your Google product ID, so if you go to Google and just type Google product category for Google Merchant Center, you will find this list. So you have to make sure the product type must be resonate with your main product. So in my case, I'm choosing this. So I'm just copying it and paste it down, and yeah. So now the main important thing is how you can create the supplemental feed. So you have to click on this button, add supplemental feed. Then you have to give the name, then Google Sheet, then continue. So then select your language, English, and select feed tables. Then click on continue, then Content API, create feed. Now it's processing. It will take some time. The supplemental feed is ready, but you have to put content into it. So I'm just copying from here and pasting it to my supplemental feed. So now I have pasted my ID and Google product category in the supplemental feed sheet. So now you have to click on your feed. So until and unless you don't click on fetch now button, your supplemental feed will not give direction to your primary feed. So you just need to click on fetch now button. Now it's showing your file is being processed. I want to check, so is this worked for us or not. I'm just copying that particular product ID and we'll go to the all products. So I'm just using the filter item ID, and it contains product ID. So that was the toothbrush, and if I click on that and if I want to check is Google product category is filled, so it will show me it's done. That means our supplemental feed is attached to our primary feed, hence it worked. Saved. So as I told you, you can optimize product title, product description with the help of supplemental feed. So you can easily do that. So if you like this video, do subscribe, comment, and like and share. Thank you.